Alright folks, welcome to another edition of Coleman Outdoors Make Something. Today I am outside and I'm making something, hence Coleman Outdoors Make Something. Today I'm making a new handle for this hammer. You might be asking yourself, well, why not just go buy a new hammer? They're not that expensive. Or go buy a new handle. Unfortunately, I can't find a hammer handle that's pre-made to fit this size eye. This hammer, here's the busted handle, was owned by my grandpa, Robert Edward Coleman. He actually used this hammer, I believe, while he worked for Bell Telephone. He's got stamped on the side here, Bell Systems. Now, it is a Stanley hammer. I looked it up online. You can see here it says 60B 32 ounce. When I do a search for this hammer, I come up with a vintage Lineman hammer. That's what I'm going to do today, make a hammer handle for this special hammer so that I can continue to use it and hopefully pass it on to my own son or even grandson, who knows. So what I'm going to do first is take some of this double stick tape. I'm just going to stick it on here, and that way it's not moving around. That looks like it's pretty good. So, all right, let's get to the bandsaw. As you can see, I successfully made a hammer handle. I'll put a clear coat of lacquer or something on here to protect the wood. But before I do that, I'm going to actually put an Eric Coleman original logo on one side. Anyways, hopefully it'll come out looking good. Here we go. Alright folks, here it is, the finished product. Turned out pretty good. Can't say it's perfect, but the perfectionist in me is always going to say that. It'll do the trick though, and if it breaks, I know where to get another one. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do me a favor, give me a like and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Anyways, that's it for today. Enjoyed spending the time making this hammer handle. Hope I'm making Grandpa proud. Take it easy folks. Later. it.